This guy is amazing. This guy is amazing. Okay, go for this guy. I like this stuff. It's called Gumption. Tougher for your walls. Hey Wrestling Family fan, how you doing all? Welcome to this wonderful tutorial. Today I'll be teaching you how to keep your house clean with easy and simple ways. You know, this family, we like to use simple things but that are effective. I have something to show you first before I can just jump in. And remember, this tutorial is not paid ones, just it's because I like this thing. I like this stuff. It's called Gumption. So now let's jump into the tutorial. As you can see, I have some marks on the wall. I have marks, even those ones there. We will try to see if we can be able to clear them out with normal wet rag. That's normal rag, as you can see. We will see if we can be able to clean it. It's wet. Or we'll use this guy. This guy is called Gumption. Gumption multi-purpose cleanser, lemon scent. So it's a good one. Again, this tutorial, it's not paid ones, okay? It's not paid. I'm just talking about this product because I like it, because it's good. So now let's try to clean the house using normal wet rag. Let's see. So now this is it. As you can see, I'm using a lot of energy. I don't know if you can be able to tell how much I'm using, but I'm using a lot of energy here. Okay, now let's go. Even here down the bottom, you can see. Now let's try this guy here. What you need to do, just use the same rag. As long as it's wet, just grab a little bit. You see how much I got? This is just this little bit, this little. Now try to apply this one. So not even too much effort. Just quick. You can see. You see the difference now? Not too much. I'm just scrubbing, just normal scrubbing. Normal scrubbing. That's it. That's what you need. So apply that. The house, it's gonna be sparkling, clean. I'm talking about clean walls, okay? So anything that is a marks, like a pen, red pen, markers, just use this guy, okay? You will be good to go. Now let's try the bottom one. Let me see if you can see properly. Okay, now let's go to the bottom one. Okay. Now let's try the bottom one. Okay, I'm just using another place, not this one, but let me use the other side. That's normal. So let's see if you can be able to clean with this one. Okay, you can tell that I'm using a little powder of energy, but now let's try it again with this guy. I'm just again scrub this one. Okay, not too much, just a little bit. Okay, just a little bit. Now try to do the same thing. You can not even, come on guys, this is really good, you know, not even just look. I'm just trying to move up and down. As you can tell, there's not much energy. You can tell that. I'm not using much energy. So this guy is a killer. This guy is really a killer. So now look, it's called Gumption. Okay, so once again, you have seen that how this product works. Again, it's not a paid version. I'm just talking about it because I like this product. Okay, if you want to go ahead and try it, go ahead. I'm not gonna get paid for this. I'm just saying about this one because I know, as you have seen it, this is amazing. This is amazing. Now let's find other spots where there are a lot of marks that are hard to get off by their own. We're gonna use this guy and see if he can do that extra job. It's called Gumption. Gumption, multi-purpose cleanser, and you're gonna be able to get rid of all those nasty marks on your wall. Okay, now the house will be always sparkling and clean and tidy and looking amazing. And another tips that I'm gonna share with you is that if you wanna keep your house clean, just do the cleaning, let's say once a week, every Sunday, in the weekends, you will keep your house clean. And in this case, the landlord or the real estate will keep running after you, saying, oh, they got the house dirty, water, because you know this is your house. Take care of it. Even if you are renting, take care of the house. I'm just cleaning it now here. Let's clean. Clean. All right, okay. I found a spot. Let's see if we can get the camera turned there, and let's get going. Okay. Now let's continue with our cleaning. As you can see, we have another red mark on this wall. Okay, let's see what we can do about it, and let's use normal without anything. Let's just use normal rag, which is this one. Again, let's see. You can see how much I'm using. You can see how much power energy I'm putting into this. But now, let's get the guy. Let's get this guy, and what's this? What we're gonna do for us? Okay, let's get this guy, Gumption. Okay, so if you can read, I'm just cutting with my left hand. Now let's get in there. Oh, sorry for this guy is just messing up. Sorry, I had to clean him. I didn't mean to touch this guy. Okay, it's good. So now you can see after hard scratching or scrubbing, there was nothing. So, oh sorry, I'm just finishing with this guy. I'm just going. I got some, as you can see. Oh, here, this is good. Now let's go. I can even use my left hand. This is my left hand. Let me try my left hand. Can you see properly? Can you see properly? See how far I'm already just for a few scratching. You can see that it's disappearing. Now it's about this one. It's kind of you know when you put the bakes in the rob, this kind of marks comes up. Okay. Now let's try this marks with the same leftover from the red ones, and then let's scratch with this one. Okay. Now you can see, not too much energy here. Not too much energy here. You can see. Even all around, even the top there, but you can see, I think, now, after all, ta-da! See, this is the power of Gumption. The power of Gumption multi-purpose cleanser. This is the best. Once again, remember, this one is not a paid tutorial. No, not at all. Gumption company, if they want to pay me, they're good to do that, but I just like the product. Okay, it's good. It is very good indeed. So now you can see everything is gone. Nothing, as you can see, sparkling clean. So yeah, so it's just cost a few dollars. You don't need to pay too much. Just let me just finish up here. So anything red marks, I got the one here for you. Let's try this one as well. Let's try these ones. Okay, this one may go down a little bit. Okay, let's say bring my lights so I can see properly. Okay, look at that. Let me see if you can see it from there. Okay. All right, right here I'm working in the children's room. As you can see, there are marks everywhere. Let's see if you go on the other side as well. There's another marks there. Let's have a look there down the bottom. But today we're gonna be working on this guy here. As you can see, it's on the wall. So we're gonna be working on this guy. Now, let's give it a try. There you go. You can see properly from there. Now let's give it a try. Once again, I'll go with normal rag, which is this one, of course, the same one I'm using everywhere, but I'm using it on the side where there is no Gumption. Okay, now so far you know what is Gumption. Okay, you know what Gumption is. Now you can see how many movements that I use. I'm still going it, but I can't. Oh my goodness, it can't come off. Right, that was hard scrubbing. Now let's bring the guy in, which is this guy you already know. Now let's just give it one. There you go, that much. Okay, I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3. Now you can see how many scrubs did I do. I mean, you could hear that I'm not even panicking or like it's been no, just normal scrubbing, and you're good to go. So If you like this guy, I bet go ahead and use it. I recommend it. I do really recommend it for cleaning your house, your home walls and everything. Yeah, so far I think that's it. And for normal ones, you can just use normal wet rag like here, but you can't see them. You can just use normal wet rag, but when it's heavy things like those ones, go ahead and use the gumption. This guy is amazing. This guy is amazing, okay? Go for this guy. Gumption. Tougher for your skill wars. Nah, I'm just saying. It's not like I'm advertising this guy. Nah, I just like the product, okay? This is my channel where I teach other families to do things, using the thing they already have in their homes. Yeah, so as you can hear, I'm scrubbing on the wall. This one is for my children bedroom. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys, and if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell, and as soon as I upload a new how-to video, you'll be able to get notified. And we are so happy that you have joined us. Thank you very much, and let's continue our friendship. If you have anything to ask or to tell us, don't forget to make a comment down below, and we go from there. Reverian from the Resi family. Bye bye. Keep my camera behind you. This thing is weird, man. My goodness, I can't believe it. I'm shocked as well. This thing, you see, like without this one, too much movement, but leave this one, just like one move without any power. I was like, whoa, come on.